How to troubleshoot a Toro LX500 riding mower. One of the reasons for the popularity of the Toro LX500 lawn mower is that it is designed to need little maintenance. However, regardless of how good the machine is, little things do happen, like an overheated engine or a blade that isn't cutting well. Because the Toro lawn mower is meant to be fairly trouble-free, it is remarkably easy to troubleshoot. And it can be just as simple to fix the problem yourself as it was to identify it in the first place. Things you will need: fuel, gloves, oil of weight appropriate for mower, protective eyewear, spark plugs. Engine won't start. Examine the spark plug wires and connect them if they have come loose. Clean or replace them if necessary. Check that everything is engaged and in the right position. Include the PTO blade engage knob, the parking brake and the choke control. Clean or repair the fuel line if it appears blocked. Mower won't mulch or cut properly. Speed up the engine by putting the throttle in the fast position. Mow again, but set the blade at a higher cutting position. Reset the blade where you wanted it in the first place, and mow the area again. Sharpen or replace the cutting blade to cut more cleanly. Check that the pressure in all of the tires is at an appropriate level, and equal in each of them. Engine won't run evenly. Reconnect or replace the spark plugs, or clean or replace parts of the air cleaner element to get a better idle and smoother running. Ensure that the crankcase is filled properly, and that the oil weight is appropriate for the machinery to cool an overheating engine. Check that the choke control is firmly in the choke position. Otherwise, the engine will run erratically. Tips warnings. Clean, fresh fuel can fix a lot of problems. Cleaning the grass clippings and other trash from both the outside and the inside of the mower will extend the working period of your machine. Wear heavy gloves and protective eyewear to shield against flying debris.